We bought a hoarder house, and even after getting all their stuff out, we still have work to do. We got an alert that someone may have tried to break in. Like this video and let's get into what happened. Shout out to our alarm for letting us know motion was detected. We actually put it at all our projects. Check it out in the description below.
I left the dang on key at the other house, so we're gonna have to do it from the outside. Piece of dead rat, that's right here, that's the
Oh, we gotta have a funeral. Dang, I miss my cousin. I'm done.
This one ratty house.
Yes,
so,
right here.
I'm gonna pop this screen off. See, we gotta put a new screen in there. Damn.
Bye-bye. Dun, dun, dun,
Going to
dun.
the window shop.
Shout out to my boy Tommy. He taught us to be brave, if you ain't know. And bad. Well, that's one way to get in.
I'm about to board this boy up. Let me see that. Strap pieces.
As you can tell from the looks of this wood that we're piecing together, this is very temporary. I should really have gloves on. It smells like doodly squat. Turns out wood that was up to the window before fell and triggered motion. So that was a good thing. This time, Bae is making sure to actually drill the wood to the wall so we won't run into that issue again. Kids, don't try this at home.
No, that boy's short for temporary.
Shoot, what is this? Oh, never mind. I'm trying to take the house apart. Reduce, reuse, recycle.
Hello.
Love and hug. Baby Shulo and Nani Shulo. Temporary fix, but at least it's closed. So, yep, that